Have you ever stopped to think about what's actually in your food? We often focus on taste and convenience, but what about the hidden world under the microscope? Today, we're diving deep into the microscopic realities of what we eat, revealing surprising ingredients and processes often unseen by the naked eye. Let's start with processed foods. They're everywhere, right? Think about your favorite snacks, ready-made meals, and even some seemingly healthy options. These foods often contain additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, and improve texture. Under a microscope, these ingredients can appear in complex, sometimes unrecognizable forms. Emulsifiers, for instance, which keep oil and water-based ingredients mixed, can be seen as intricate structures, while artificial colors present a vibrant, almost alien landscape. Then there are the hidden sugars and salts. Many processed foods are loaded with them to boost palatability. Microscopy can reveal the crystalline structures of sugars and the granular forms of salt, often present in surprisingly high concentrations. Now let's consider meat products. From sausages to processed meats, these items often contain fillers, binders, and other additives to reduce cost and improve appearance. Under the microscope, you might find processed proteins, modified starches, and even traces of animal byproducts. It's a world away from the simple, natural image often portrayed in advertising. But it's not just about processed foods. Even seemingly fresh produce can reveal hidden truths. Pesticides, for example, used to protect crops, can be detected through microscopic analysis. The same goes for any potential contaminants, picked up during harvesting, transportation, or storage. The microscope also reveals the presence of microorganisms, both beneficial and harmful. While some foods are intentionally fermented with beneficial bacteria, others may harbor pathogens that can lead to foodborne illnesses. Understanding these microbial landscapes is critical for food, safety, and public health. So, what can we do with this knowledge? First, become a more informed consumer. Read food labels carefully, paying attention to ingredient lists. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and opt for minimally processed options. Support local farmers and producers who prioritize quality and transparency. And finally, consider experimenting with home cooking. Preparing your own meals allows you to control the ingredients and avoid hidden additives. It's a proactive step toward a healthier, more informed diet. Food under the microscope reminds us that what we eat is more complex than we often realize.